Hello, my name is Brandy Painter, and this is a short lecture on ServSafe Alcohol Safety. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to understand what alcohol is, how it moves through the body, how it's digested, how you can assess your guests to find out if they are intoxicated, and how to count drinks. Alcohol is made one of two ways. First is fermentation. This is adding yeast to the starch so that it is converting the sugar into ethanol, which is alcohol. Examples would be beer or wine. Next would be distillation. To distill an alcohol is removing the water from it, so it's making it stronger. And this would be liquors or spirits such as vodka, whiskey, gin, rum, and many more. So spirits or liquor are generally 40 to 50% alcohol by volume, which is 80 to 100 proof. Proof is the measure or the strength of alcohol. Wine is generally 12 to 14% alcohol by volume, and beer is generally 4 to 6 alcohol by volume. They, of course, can be stronger or weaker. This is how alcohol moves through your body and how it is absorbed. A little bit of alcohol is absorbed in the mouth, and then it travels to the stomach where a little bit of alcohol is absorbed through the walls of the stomach. Most of the alcohol, of course, is absorbed in the small intestines. As soon as it is absorbed through the small intestines and in the bloodstream, it hits the brain in a matter of minutes. The legal age to drink alcohol in all states is 21. Blood alcohol content, BAC, is the measure of alcohol in the blood. So legal intoxication is a 0.08. Now this is factors that may affect your blood alcohol content. So if you are drinking beer, it is going to be not as strong as liquor. So liquor, the drink strength is stronger, so you're going to feel the effects of blood alcohol content quicker. The rate or the number of drinks that you have in an hour will affect your blood alcohol content because your liver can only break down 1 drink per hour. Your body size, if you are smaller and have less blood, your blood alcohol content will be higher. Your body type, if you are a female, generally you have more fat, and if you have more fat, it doesn't absorb the alcohol, so it stays in your bloodstream. If you have more muscle, muscle absorbs the alcohol, so it gets it out of the bloodstream, so you don't have a high BAC. Gender, females generally have more body fat than males. So generally women will feel the effects of a higher BAC before males. Your age, if you are older, you generally will have higher body fat, so then you will have a higher BAC. Also, as you age, you lose the enzyme in the stomach that helps to break down alcohol. Food, if you have food in your stomach, it will slow the absorption of alcohol from the stomach into the small intestines, so you will have a lower BAC. And then carbonation also has an effect. If you are drinking alcohol mixed with carbonation, it generally passes through the body and into the bloodstream quicker. Drink equivalencies, so if you're a bartender and you're trying to count drinks to see how many drinks somebody has had, each of these are equal to 1 drink. 5 ounces of wine, 12 ounces of beer, 1.5 ounce of 80 proof, and 1 ounce of 100 proof. Those would all be equal to 1 drink. So again, the liver breaks down 1 drink per hour. So any more drinks in 1 hour, the alcohol is backed up in the bloodstream, so you will have a higher BAC. Some of the limitations to counting drinks is if a guest has had drinks before entering your establishment, it's hard to, of course, count how many drinks they've had. Their physical condition, their emotional state. If people are emotional, they generally will feel the effects of alcohol quicker. Also, whether they've had food that definitely will determine their blood alcohol content and if they're on any medication, because that usually impacts the effects of blood alcohol content. And that concludes my short lecture on alcohol safety.